Here with Chris Eversley, senior from Cal Poly men's basketball. Let's walk over this way because we've got a lot of commotion going on here, autograph signings going on. But we are leading up to your regular season finale. It's also your home finale against UC Santa Barbara. Before I talk about that game in particular, I wanted to ask you just about seeding for the Big West tournament, because you guys are in 6th place right now. You could finish anywhere between 5th place and 8th place. I know you want to win on Saturday no matter what, but does it matter to you the placement and tournament seeding at this point? 5th to 8th?
Not really. I mean, we look at the parity in the conference this year. I mean, you had, teams knocking off teams, just the Wild West. I mean, Fullerton beat Long Beach last weekend. That just goes to show you that anything can happen. And, Northridge is beating, Santa Barbara as well. So it's kind of just like, it's not really, the seeding really doesn't matter when you get down to it. Of course, teams are going to, look at that and say, one seed's playing an 8 seed, so it's supposed to happen. But in years past, anything can happen when you get to the Honda Center.
Now, you guys have performed, if you look at your track record, have performed better, arguably, against the top half of the conference than some of the bottom teams. Anything to that?
No, it's just, those games, I feel like we shot well. We haven't really shot well against the lower tier of teams, but it just goes back to making shots and the guys, getting amped up for those games as well. So, that's kind of what we're going to be looking at for the rest of the season, is those top half teams. So I think our guys are ready to play against them.
You've been here long enough to know what the rivalry is like between UC Santa Barbara and Cal Poly. This is your last home game here. Is it fitting to you that this is the game that it's going to be?
Yeah.
And how so?
I wouldn't want to have it any other way. Playing against those guys down there, the rivalry is obviously going to be renewed with the blue-green, but I wouldn't want to have it any other way. Like I said, it's just senior night against Santa Barbara at home. You can't beat that. I couldn't have planned this. Coach couldn't have planned this any better when they were doing the scheduling before the season. So it's definitely the proper way to go out.
Has the anticipation been building? What's the buzz like on campus, do you feel like?
It's huge. On Monday when we were having our Block P meeting, the general admission section for the game is already sold out.
Wow.
Students have to go buy their tickets at the ticket office directly instead of just walking in through the doors. So it's going to be packed. I expect the atmosphere is similar to the blackout game we had against Irvine.
So you heard it here first. It's already sold out. Sorry.
Yeah, pretty much. I'd say close to capacity.
Wow. Yeah, well, that's going to be an awesome environment. How about, on the court? What are going to be the keys to victory for you guys Saturday?
Just playing hard, playing smart, continuing to follow the game plan that the coaches put together for us. Obviously, looking at some stuff we did against them the first time, so just going back to a little bit of that and just blending in some of the new things that we've seen from them and from ourselves in the past couple of weeks, and start building that momentum for next weekend.
Thank you.
Yep.